Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Muskogee County in west central Georgia, Troup County in west central Georgia, Harris County in west central Georgia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over State Line Park, or 8 miles east of Stroud, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, LaGrange, Hamilton, Greenville, Manchester, West Point, Hugginsville, Pine Mountain, Waverly Hall, Warm Springs, Lone Oak, North Fort Benning, Big City, Upatoy, FD, Roosevelt State Park, Green Island Hills, Catawba, Columbus Metropolitan Airport, Louise, and Stonewall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-800 Columbus Metropolitan 34466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. To an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Southeast at 5 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.90 inches and falling.